everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Shrek Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Shrek Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So the first thing we want to do is line up the corners and give it a nice little fold. Next, we're going to fold it one more time and give it another fold, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when we open it up, we have these nice little guidelines that show us where the inside of our drawing is. And when we turn it this way, we can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with our Shrek Surprise Fold, let's begin right here with the nose. So I'm going to begin by making a nice big smiley face shape right here. I'm going to make two little curves on each end. And then I'm going to make a big curve on each side. Then I'll put a sad face shape for the top of the nose. Right here, I'm going to make a big sad face for an eye, and another big sad face for an eye. And then I'll make a big happy face, and another big happy face. I'll make a big circle for the pupil, and another big circle here. And then I'll make a smaller one inside of here, and a smaller one here with a tiny circle, and we'll just color this part in. Same thing here, make a small circle, and just color this part in. We'll make a little line across the top, and another one for the eyelids. And we'll put a line underneath here, each one. We'll make two lines that come up for part of the nose. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down for the top of the head. I'll make a line that's going to come down and then back up for an eyebrow. And same thing here, we're going to go down and then back up and down for an eyebrow. And then we'll make some little lines across here for some wrinkles. And then right here I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. Over here I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side for his ears. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then back in. Same thing, we're just going to curve this around and bring it back in. Make a little curve here, and a little curve here. And then we'll draw a line that comes down on each side. Next, I'm going to draw this line down. We're going to come across and up here. And then we're just going to make a big line that comes right around here for a smile. For his neck, I'll make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go down here, and same thing, we'll go out and come down. We'll make a little line that curves down on each side. And then we'll make a line that's going to come out and down. Then we'll just make another curve right here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside of our Shrek. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Shrek. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down a little bit and this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Starting here, I'm going to make a little curve, and then a little curve here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come across and back up. Then I'm going to make a line down and a line down here. And then right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, over, and then up. Now, starting here, let's make some teeth on Shrek. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. And same thing here, down, over, and then up. Make a line that's going to curve. We're going to come down and over. Same thing here, we're going to curve this down and then over. Same thing here, down and over. Down and over. And then one more here. And one more right there. We'll do the same thing on the bottom. We'll come up, over, and down. Same thing here, up, over, and then down for some teeth. Make a line that's going to go over and down. Same thing here, over and down. Over and down here, over and down. And then one more here, one more here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and back down for the tongue. Now, we want to make some food coming out of here, and Shrek eats some weird things. So the first thing is, let's make a big slug over here. So I'm going to start by making a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye over here. I'll make a line that comes down and a line that comes down. We'll make a curve right around here. And then we'll make a line that comes over and a line that comes over. Next, we'll make a line over. And we'll make a kind of like wiggly line. And same thing here, another wiggly line here. I'll make a line here, and a line here, and a line here. I'll bring this up and make a little line across. And then I'll put some little X's in the eyes. Next, over here I want to make an eyeball. So I'm just going to make a big circle here. Another big circle here. Smaller one in here, and curve it around, and then I'll just kind of color this in. Next, over here, I'm just going to make kind of like a chicken leg. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around and come up. We'll make some zigzags here. Two lines up. And then we'll make a curve and another curve. Then we'll make a little wiggly line around there. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and connect it to here. And then I'll bring this line down, jump over here. And then I'm going to bring this line down here, and we'll connect it here. Same thing here, bring this line down, jump over, and then connect it. Then I'll draw a little curved line here and a curved line here. And I'm going to bring this line down and this line down. Next, I'm going to curve a line up, and I'll curve this line up. We'll bring this around and bring this around. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come down and up for the back of the mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Shrek Surprise Fold. So when I have it all closed up, we got a normal looking Shrek. And then when we open it, his mouth is full of food. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.